Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of TikTok. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you can go to Play Store. You will search about the application of TikTok. And then if you find update here, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.